for joining me. My name is LaSheena Williams, and I am a Maryland family law attorney. My firm helps our clients take control of out-of-control domestic situations. Today, we will be discussing what your options are when you find out that your partner or co-parent is currently married with a family. It can be devastating to find out that your partner is currently married, especially if you had hopes of building a life and a family with them. You may have already taken steps to start your life with them. You may have a lease, you may be intending to buy property, you may already be pregnant with their child, or even you may already have some children. You have to know that one way or the other, regardless of what plans you were making, your partner being married is not your fault, and you do in fact have options in order to move forward. It's important that you take a look at your situation and figure out what it is you want to do. Now, it might be a situation where you're perfectly fine with staying in a relationship with your co-parent because they're pending a divorce and they've already been in the middle of the divorce, even if perhaps they didn't tell you that. You're fine with that. Or you may have decided that as a result of you finding out that they were in fact currently in a relationship, you may no longer want to co-parent with them, you may not want to have a home with them, and you want to know what your options are. First, you have to decide what is it that you truly want to do, and then you need to speak with an attorney so that you can figure out your options and next steps. If you have children with your partner or you're currently pregnant with their child, it's very important that you develop a parenting plan so that you know what you're going to do regarding access to your child. Even if you're in a situation where you feel like you can't talk with them anymore or you can't communicate at all with your co-parent, the fact of the matter is they are still your co-parent. You still have at least 18 years with that person moving forward, and you will need to figure out how to communicate with them in the best interest of your child. So you must try to do your best to develop a parenting plan so that you can provide what is best for your child. Finding out that your co-parent or partner already has a wife and children can be devastating. However, your relationship has changed one way or the other, and you need to set the boundaries that you are comfortable with. If you are no longer comfortable with your co-parent staying in your home, if you are no longer comfortable with your co-parent going on trips with you or spending time with any of your other children or any number of issues, you need to be open and honest about those boundaries so that you can move forward in a place where you're comfortable. If for some reason you decide to continue and marry your co-parent or your partner, it may be important for you to consider preparing a prenuptial agreement. You already know that at least one relationship did not work out, and you want to make sure that in the event that your relationship doesn't work out, that you have a plan of action for disposing of any assets and any interests you may have or you may obtain while with your partner. If you have any questions about your options when your co-parent already has a wife and children or other family law related issues, please feel free to give me a call at 301-778-9950 to speak with an attorney today.